Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to always show date on Macbook. So you can customize your menu bar clock that appears in the upper right corner of your Mac to include more than just the current time and one of the more useful things to add in current date. And you can also always show the date on your taskbar. How to do it is very simple. So first you can open your system preferences on your MacBook. Now, after that you can go to dock and menu bar. From here you can just scroll down. You can go to clock. On clock and on date options, there's an option show date. By default it's set to when space loads. If you want to always show the date, you can select in here and choose on always. So the date will be uh, always appear, always show on your menu bar on your MacBook. It's very simple, right? And also in here you can change the time option, the time style, your clock style. It's very simple, right? So that is how to always show date on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.